Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add admins to your Facebook page. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add admin to your Facebook page, go to your Facebook and browse your Facebook page. I'm going to browse my page, IT System Admin, and now scroll down and click on switch now. Switch to my page account, and then in left side click on settings. Now scroll down. Under audience and visibility you will find page setup. Click on page setup. Here you will find page access. Click on page access and you will find the first option, people with Facebook access. Click on add new here, and Facebook access means you can switch into pages and manage it directly on Facebook, and any action you can take as this page, and anyone with Facebook access will have shared experience including your feeds and your notification for this page. Now click on next. Type the username which you want to make admin. I'm typing the name. This one I want to add as admin. Click on this account and here you will find allow this person to have full control. Click here to enable this option and now click on give access. Now type the password and then click on confirm, and look, the account is added. The action, page deletion, permission, content, message and calls, community activity, ads and insights. This means this person is invited as a admin of this page, and within 31 days this person need to accept the invitation, and the person has been accept the invitation and is added as a administrator. This is the easiest way to add admin to your Facebook page. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.